Good morning, children. Everyone, open your environmental studies textbook, and we are in the lesson Eat Well and Keep Well. Okay, so everyone, open page number 70, children, in your textbooks, page number 70. So we have completed why do we need glucose that we in the previous class. Why do we need glucose, children? We need energy. First of all, whatever work is there, to complete that work, our body should have some energy. To keep on the energy levels properly, we need glucose. Okay. So now about the nutrients in food. Everyone open page number 70 and see there. Nutrients in food. Our food is made up of different substances called nutrients. They provide nourishment to the body and are essential for proper growth. A diet that includes all the essential nutrients in adequate quantities in our meals is a balanced diet. This is a very, very important one, children, balanced diet. Okay. So what is, first of all, what is nutrients means? Food is made up of different substances. So whatever we are eating, in that different substances will be there, then we call that as a nutrients. So they will provide the nourishment, means a good health to the body, and they are very important to growth. Okay. To have the proper growth, first of all, our body needs a good nutrients. A diet that includes all the essential nutrients in adequate quantities in our meals is a balanced diet. Adequate quantities అంటే మనకి ఎంతవరకు అవసరమో ఆ డైట్లోని పర్టికులర్గా అన్ని న్యూట్రియంట్స్ కలిపి ఉండాలన్నమాట, విచ్ ఇస్ గుడ్ ఫర్ అవర్ హెల్త్ అండ్ టు హ్యావ్ ద ప్రాపర్ గ్రోత్. దట్ ఈస్ వాట్ వి కాల్ దట్ యాజ్ అ బ్యాలెన్స్డ్ డైట్. Some nutrients are required in large or macro quantity and some are required in small or micro quantity. So some here nutrients means it will be with the different carbohydrates, sugars, starches and vitamins, proteins, fats, rough ages, everything will be there, no children. So some will use micro and macro, means in less in manner and big in manner. Okay. So carbohydrates. Carbohydrates are foods which gives us energy. There are two types of carbohydrates. So how many different types of carbohydrates are there? Here we have the two types. So what they do, children, they'll give us energy. Okay. Sugars are simple carbohydrates as our body digests them quickly. Apple, banana, grapes and raisin provides us with quick energy. So sugars, they are the best examples for the simple carbohydrates. So what are the simple carbohydrates means? They will digest very quickly in our body. Okay. So they'll give energy very quickly. What are those, children? Apple, banana, grapes and raisin. They provide us energy in a short time. Okay. So starches are the complex carbohydrates. So what are the two different types of carbohydrates here? One is a simple carbohydrates and another one is the complex carbohydrates. This complex carbohydrates, what they will do, that take a longer time to get digested. So they will take a long time to digest. Whereas this simple carbohydrates, what they will do, children, they will digest in our body very quickly and they will give us energy also very quickly. Okay. Complex carbohydrates come from foods such as bread, cereals and potatoes. So they will take much time to digest in our body. Okay. Our body needs various vitamins and minerals. Vitamin A keeps our eyesight healthy. So vitamin A, first of all, eyesight, it is very, very important, children, first of all. Okay, so we have to take the vitamin A foods carefully. Nowadays children are not at all taking the leafy vegetables and carrots and beetroots, no. So we'll have the ample of vitamins A in that, so you have to eat that. Okay. Vitamin C keeps gums healthy and helps the body to absorb iron. So this C will keep our body very healthily. And vitamin D works with calcium and phosphorus to make strong bones and teeth. So this vitamin D, how it helps, children? It will have this, makes our body strong and it will keep the teeth also very strong. So in the early hours we'll have from the sun rays, no. Okay. Other vitamins are E and K and the B complex vitamins. So these are the remaining. Okay. Milk, carrots, oranges and greeny leafy vegetables are rich sources of vitamins. So see, if we eat them in a proper way, no, so we will not get the vitamin deficiency. We will be very fit, we will be very energetic to do any work. Okay. Minerals serve a variety of purposes. Calcium, for example, builds bones and teeth. So if you take the proper calcium food, what it will do, children, will have the bones and teeth very healthily. So see, so many people without the lack of calcium, what they will do, as soon as they fall, they will have the breaks. వాళ్ళకి ఏంటవుతుంది, కాల్షియం ప్రాపర్గా లేకపోవడం వల్ల ఇలా పడిన వెంటనే విరిగిపోతూ ఉంటాయి అనమాట. అదే కాల్షియం కంటెంట్స్ ఉన్న ఫుడ్స్ మనం బాగా తీసుకున్నాం అనుకోండి, విల్ నాట్ బి ఇంజ్యూర్డ్ వెరీ క్విక్లీ. ఓకే. It can be found in milk. Iron is needed to form red blood cells which carry oxygen from the lungs to other blood cells. So calcium మనకి ఎక్కడ దొరుకుతుంది ఎక్కువగా మిల్క్ లో. So when your mother is giving you milk, no, you have to drink that one without fail. Okay. So now here the iron, which is very important because it carries red blood cells which carry the oxygen from the lungs to the other body cells. So good sources of iron include spinach, meat, apple and dark green vegetables. సో ఈ ఐరన్ కంటెంట్ ఎందులో ఉంటుందమ్మా, ఇక్కడ స్పినాచ్లోని, మీట్లోని, యాపిల్లోని అండ్ డార్క్ గ్రీన్ వెజిటేబుల్స్లోని విల్ హ్యావ్ దిస్ ఐరన్ కంటెంట్ మోర్. దట్ ఈస్ వై యూ హ్యావ్ టు ఈట్ దట్ వితౌట్ ఫెయిల్. So now about the proteins. So proteins help us grow. They give the body the material it needs to mend injured parts and make new blood, hair and skin. Pulses, milk, cheese, yogurt, eggs, fish and meat have a lot of proteins. So they will help us to grow properly, these proteins. So they will have the, so if we are injured, no children, if you have the proper proteins in our body and if you are taking the proper proteins food, no, so it will be healed very easily. తొందరగా నయం అయిపోతుంటుంది అనమాట, క్యూర్ అయిపోతుంది. అలాగే కొత్త బ్లడ్ రావడం కానీ, హెయిర్ కానీ, స్కిన్ కానీ కవర్ అవ్వడము ఎప్పుడు జరుగుతుంది, when you are taking the protein diet properly. Okay, so the fats now. Fats provide us energy and lubricants our joints. The body uses fats to maintain its temperature and to cushion organs. Fat is a compound in foods such as nuts, oil, butter and ghee. So first of all, fats, they are very important. They provide us energy and lubricants our joints. అంటే ఏంటి, మనకి మూమెంట్స్కి వాటికి ఉండడానికి ఈజీగా ఉంటుంది. ఫస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్ ఫ్యాట్స్ ఉండేటువంటి ఫుడ్స్ ఏంటన్నా, దే విల్ కంటైన్ ఇన్ ద నట్స్, ఆయిల్, బటర్ అండ్ ఘీ. ఓకే, నౌ వాటర్ అండ్ roughage. So let us see what is this. Water and roughage also forms an important part of a balanced diet. Water helps to carry out many body processes. It helps the body to get rid of waste and maintains temperature. So first of all, everyone should drink sufficient water, children, because that is very, very important. So whatever unnecessary waste material is there in our stomach and in our body, it will come out through in the urine passage and as well as the sweat. Okay. So roughage adds bulk to daily diet and helps in the digestion of food. So when you are taking the food water properly, you know the food also will be digested properly. It also aids the process by which waste is thrown out of our body. Whole grains and fruits are good sources of roughage. Whole grains and fruits. So ఈ పీచు పదార్థాలు ఉండేటువంటివి కూడా మనము తీసుకుంటూ ఉండాలి. Okay children, here we have discussed about the nutrients in food, no? So everyone read that one. And today's your homework task is open page number 75. In that question answers are there. How do we taste different foods? And what is digestion? Why does food taste sweet when you chew it? These two question answers. Read and write these two question answers again one time in your homework book. Give gap between word and a word. Have a good day children. Thank you.